Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, the I Teach channel, and today I'm gonna change this faucet into a new one. Ayan, bumili ako kahapon, so papalitan ko siya guys ng ganito. Okay, so tanggalin na natin to. Come here! Pakita mo. Ayan, kasi pangit to guys eh. Nasira kasi ito ng dati namin katulong. Ayan, so papalitan ko siya. Tanggalin muna natin to para hindi tayo mahirapan. Tapos guys, napakadali lang nito. So, lalagyan natin ng teflon. Ayan.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm changing the faucet. Ayan. So, tapos lalagyan natin yan dito guys. Ayan, kasi para hindi ano. Ayan. Ako kasi yung gumagawa nito sa bahay. Kasi hindi to type gawin ng asawa ko eh.
Mama, what is that?
This is a teflon in order not to in order that the water will not escape. Okay? So, ayan. Malapit na to guys. Sana hindi masira agad. Kasi ganitong problema dito sa bahay eh. Ang bilis-bilis masira ng gripo. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman. Magkano tong gripo ko ngayon? 400 plus. Chrome na lang to. Kasi nang nakaraan, bumili ako ng stainless. Tapos, ang mahal-mahal, 1,500 yata yun. Tapos, uglit lang. Sinira ng katulong namin. So, ngayon wala na kaming katulong. So, siguro ang sisira nito si baby. Alright, so ayan, nakita nyo na. Ayan guys, may teflon na yan. Tapos ilalagay lang natin yan dito. Huh? Oops. Ayan guys. Ay. Hindi yun. Ang sobrang natin. Okay. Tapos, dahil natapos na, babalik natin na to. Yan, ang kagandahan nito guys na ano to siya. Yan, para siyang shower. Kaso, ulitin ko na naman. Ulit lang. Ano ba yan? Aray. Hindi kaya ng powers. Ulitin natin. Langanin. Magdagan natin ng teflon. So, dahil alanganin, parang hindi siya lalagyan na lang natin ng teflon ulit.
It's not gonna fit.
Yeah. I don't know why it's not fitting.
Because it's new. Because it was not this size.
No, it is. Should be careful with this kasi it's very hard. Sana mag-fit na guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan natin to. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Oopsie. What happened? It's not fitting here.
Do you know, Mommy?
Yun. Yung pinapahirapan ako na ito ah. Yun. Ayan, so
Then,
titingnan
guys,
na natin kung gumagana na yung gripo.
Oh.
Wow! Ayan na. So, ang kagandahan sa gripo na to, maano mo siya. Ayan. Na-adjust siya, tapos, yan, para siyang shower. Pwede siyang maging ganito, tapos pwede rin siyang shower. Wow! At nakita niyo naman, walang leak. So, ibig sabihin, the best ang paggawa ni Mommy. So, here, yan, ang dali-dali lang gumawa ng gripo. So, from this gripo to this gripo, it's very nice. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That is the only way on how to change faucet into a very nice one. Okay? Bye! Oh, can you try? You try! You try! Oh, wow! You can also change that into like this. See? So you can have shower in here and then you can...
Like I'm a baby?
Yeah, alright? So it's so easy.
How would like to take a shower like this?
No, I'm just joking. Bye!